I recently went to a yard sale and they had a bucket full of shoes. I started digging through them just because, but I actually didn't expect to find as much as I did. Specifically, I found 2 pairs of Air Force Ones. They were $5 each. I think these are a pair of Jordan 1 lows. They were also $5. And then I also found what I think are some Air Max 90s, and those were $10. I bought all those shoes. Not all of them fit me. These ones are in the best condition, and they just so happen to be the one that fit me the best. These Air Force Ones, they barely fit me. These 2 right here, altogether just too small. Since these are actually my size, I want to like clean them up. This toe is extremely like warped and bent. I don't know, I can't tell. The sole's definitely bent a little bit. Someone was balling in these shoes. So I got 2 old towels right here. I should probably take the laces out for this entire process. The idea is that this fills in the toe, and then you just warm it up to reshape it. That looks better. The next step is to get this towel wet. Oh, guess that works. Turn on the iron. This leather is way softer now, and most of the wrinkles are gone. Just a little side by side, kind of like a before and after. I can make it puff. Off camera, I went over and ironed the toes again, and they didn't get much better. This one got a little bit better, but I think that that's as good as the toes are gonna get. I mean, you guys saw them, they were kind of clapped. You can see this is kind of dirty. The laces right there are a little dirty. Inside of the shoes. And so for that, I have a 3-ingredient shoe cleaner we're gonna use. So I got this. Just gonna get some water in there. What? The Sigma? What? Thank you. You just need enough water to dunk a brush in. There's that. The next thing we're gonna need to do is get some dish soap. I don't think it matters what soap it is, but baking soda. I just dropped the baking soda in. I have a bristle brush, and I'm gonna use this to stir up the solution. Something different I'm gonna do for the soles is I'm gonna use toothpaste, just because toothpaste, I guess, actually like whitens the soles really well. Spread some toothpaste on there, and then I'm just gonna water it down with this cleaning solution, but yeah, toothpaste works. Toothpaste is working way better than just cleaning solution by itself. I hope I'm inspiring you guys to like clean your shoes too, because this is super easy. That sole is looking a lot better than that one. This is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like after. After I was done scrubbing everything, I just took a hose and rinsed it all off. You just gotta let these dry overnight, and then you're good to go in the morning. Cleaning this shoe is basically gonna be the exact same thing as cleaning that shoe. I'm not gonna bore you with that, so I'll just do that off camera. Both of these shoes are done. I have the laces sitting in the leftover cleaning solution, and I'm just gonna like see if that will clean these. Here are the laces. I'm gonna let these dry. Before I put away all the cleaning stuff, I just wanna try cleaning these up with the leftover solution before I put everything away. It doesn't work as well on this foam material because I think a lot of the stuff is like scuffed into it, and you'd just be better off like slicing that off. This area got a little bit cleaned up, but that just didn't change at all because that got scuffed in. I gotta clean all this up, but these will just sit down here. I'll come back in the morning when they're dry, and then I think that's it. I was gonna try to do like a cool cinematic thing when the garage opens, but my parents had left and I had put something at the garage door so they would see that it would fall if they opened it. And it kind of worked against me because I forgot I did that. So, it's too early to shoot that again. I don't want to wake everybody up. But on the bright side, here are the shoes. The shoes are all dry. I want to lace these up right now. They're done. The restoration is complete. I'm gonna drop these bad boys on my feet.
All this is true because it rhymes.
They look brand new. Like, it's kind of hard to believe that these only cost me $5. It's probably just like being in the right place at the right time.